That's it. That's the man that did the work, Lewis. Everything is completed. Drive shaft fully installed. Drive shafts, thank y'all for all your help. On to the next one. Over at Randy's drive shaft shop. This is Dante. It's gonna be the guy right here to get drive shaft set up. First time being here at this shop. Got very good reviews. They said to be the #1 drive shaft shop in Houston. Let's work. Company where hard to find a company where, you know, damn near all the reviews are just really good.
You can't find for a second.
Getting a little view back here of the shop. Just give me a little tour before they start doing the work. See where the magic happens, guys. What's going on? It's working. Men hard at work.
Mike Height, welding. Does
That's Mike.
Does it all.
Oh, look at them.
The quality of the weld. Beautiful.
It ain't fruity.
That's Mike. How many years you in the business, Mike? 36 years. They are the
At
best.
this place.
At this
on that table,
36 years.
No lie.
Yeah.
Shop doesn't even look this big from outside. It's amazing.
So this is our dynamic balancer. Everything is computer graphed there.
1322.
Direct readouts.
This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. There are multiple machines.
Oh yeah.
Multiple machines. I would have bought the good camera if I knew I was going to get the tour.
You will not see another driveline shop like this.
Man, this is like a super center. Got the music. All right, Mike.
You gonna do it for you?
Yeah. I'm gonna fill you in.
This is the last piece.
I'm in.
Last piece of the puzzle.
Right, good luck.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, absolutely, man.
Man, you guys got everything. Aisle after aisle. Drive shaft process. We're about to install the drive shaft. First thing you did was cut out that bracket. Cut the bracket in the middle. There it goes right there. I'm gonna use a grinder and get this down. Well, actually a torch just to heat it up. That's Luis. We're gonna use a torch, heat it up, and see what happens. Cleaned off one side, and so he's gonna put the bracket. This is gonna get cut off to be a little bit more flush. This side is not done yet. Done, not done. And those are the plates we'll use. Change of plans. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut a metal plate out. weld a 17 bolt on the inside, put it back in here, and then weld it back up. So we're gonna weld 4 plates with 17s, and that's basically how we're gonna do that. We already cut off the plates. These are at the bottom of that. Cut those off. That's it. This is just a template, but you can see.
Everything falls into place the minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how it feels to live and let go without being put in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die.
Performance. We're about to tune the car. It's a Sammy's S2000. Yeah, I know when I borrowed the Super and I borrowed the Alpha as the owner. I ain't borrowing this shit though. But the car is still on the F22 motor. 4 fuel pumps. Killer system. Still has a soft top on it, red interior. He actually took out the red and black seats to put these seats in. Bigger turbo right now is getting a remote tuned. So let's see what happens. I'll insert the video in here when we took off the head and the head was actually damaged from a previous shop in Houston. Won't name no names. But the motor's actually damaged. And now we're ready to make some jam, baby. All right. This is the owner of Mako Performance right here. How you doing?
What's up?
All right.
What's good?
Owner of the car. They got a lot of killers here, man. There's a lot of cars here, customers' cars. I can't show you what's really going on. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of killers. I don't even want to go in the yard. There's a lot of cars. All right? Look, we just had an argument, but he's all right. He's going to understand. Supra. Let's get to the dynoing. Be back with you guys in a second. You happy? Womp, 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 womp. guessing going. I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm not gonna go to the power. It's too rich right now. So y'all see what's going on?
530. Who said 530?
Bro, you're reading the wrong one. Don't even say that. But you read the watch the camera
I'm
again.
reading the wrong one. Oh shit.
All right, let's do the money now. Let's do the money. Let's do